Hey guys, it's Angela here at Authorized Back and Sew. I'm super excited to get back into classes, so let's start signing up. So I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit of what I do. Clothing is my passion, so I love doing clothing classes. I also teach Bernina classes, scan and cut classes. I'm going to be doing a kids camp this year, and finally a lot of people have been asking about handbags, so we're going to jump into the handbags. So this is going to be a cute little messenger bag, and both of these purses have the option of adding a longer strap to them. So just a small little bag to be able to carry or simple things around. This one's going to be a much larger bag. A lot of space on the inside. It has a little snap so you can snap it closed and just get going. And these are both made out of canvas and cork. They look like very expensive designer, but they're actually really lightweight because of the cork, so you can actually add a lot more junk inside your purse and you'll be good. So for my next class is going to be the Ilford jacket. In this jacket you can have it constructed in many different ways. Either you can go with a drapey look or you can go with a more structured look, and this is a unisex pattern, so you'd be able to make it for you or for your husband, son, grandson, whoever as well. So we're actually working on a jacket out of corduroy in this, so it could be a lot more structured. This is going to be a sewing and serging class. So if you do have both machines, bring them to class. But if you don't, you can complete the project with just a sewing machine, and I'll show you guys how to do different options as far as seams if you don't have a serger. So, all right, so here is the Montlake t-shirt, and I actually switched up the pattern a little bit as far as doing the hemming. So you'll be learning different techniques on your serger with this class. So instead of hemming up on your sewing machine, you'll be using a flat lock to hem the bottom and the sleeves. And this is very similar to what you may see in the stores, because a lot of ready-to-wear are going this way instead of using like a cover stitch. So I'm going to show you guys how to use that technique. This is a cute little cami, perfect for summertime. This is going to be like, you know, lightweight top, so you can wear under clothes or just by itself. So these are both serger classes, so you would need a serger to take these classes. The only thing I do ask is that you have just simple knowledge of your serger. Just basically knowing how to thread it is perfect enough for you to take the class. And it doesn't matter what serger you have, it could be any brand, anything like that. So for my next couple of classes are going to be sewing and serging as well. These are going to be toddler clothing and baby clothing. So notice both of these are made out of double gauze. So it's people think it's a very hard fabric to sew with, but it's actually really easy. So during the class I'll be showing you how to use your sewing machine and set it all up to be able to sew on delicate fabrics like this. But the double gauze is actually becoming very popular here in Fresno because of the high summer heats. So these are very lightweight fabrics that keep you cool during the summertime, so kids could be comfy. So yeah, come and take the class for the baby. Okay, scan and cut classes. We are so excited. I'm actually really excited to start doing scan and cut classes. So we're gonna be learning how to layer and stack designs. So this little shirt says, "My first Disneyland trip." So basically what you're gonna be doing in class is creating your own design. So it doesn't matter what it is, I'm gonna help you create your own design, so this way you can create a little shirt for your kids, grandkids, yourself, whoever. Also, the other classes that I have coming up are your glass etching classes. So these are gonna be really cute. They're gonna show the little glass etching. So this one is for like a couple for like a wedding. And this is some glass etching, and we're doing it in reverse. So you can see all the little Disney princesses on there. And also we all have scan and cut basics classes still. So if you don't feel like you're at this level yet, don't be afraid. The scan and cut basics class will teach you literally everything you need to know about the vinyl, about your mats, about how to set your machine up. It's a very informational class, so I would highly suggest, if you don't feel comfortable here yet, take that class so this way you can get to doing these projects. So everyone hates pants, because I know I hate pants. Why not make your own pair of workout pants? So this is a serging class, so it's all done in your serger. And again, I'm gonna show you different techniques on how to finish off the bottom instead of using a regular sewing machine. So again, we're gonna be doing flat walking at the bottom. So you are gonna get a lot of knowledge from your serger on how to change different settings to do different stitches, but you're also gonna leave with this super cute, comfortable pair of workout pants. And I love this pattern so much that I've actually made 3 different pairs. So I basically started my own collection of workout pants. So come and start yours.